How to find Best Buy discount promo codes. In this video, I'll show you specific resources for you to be able to stretch down the actual price or use a discount promo codes on Best Buy. Now, before you go ahead and pick your favorite item on Best Buy, all I have to do first is open up any web browser available. But on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, just simply type in couponchief.com. This is actually a specific spot where you can use free vouchers or free discount promo codes as long as it is available on site. From here, what you want to have to do is search store, just going to be Best Buy right here. Now it's going to be depending on where you are using Best Buy from. So say for example, you would like to have this for home theater accessories, for HP printers, for Samsung bundles, and so on and so forth. You just have to click on this option here that says Get Deal, so that Coupon Chief will provide you your unique code and paste it and use it on Best Buy. And that's how you find Best Buy discount promo code.